Welcome back. Okay. Get that. Put this guy in today. Cool temp sensor. Fairly easy to put in. Pop that, I think. Get my light. Okay, let the dog in. Hey, Bobo. Come on, bud. Easy to do. It's right here on top. Unplug that plug. There's a clip right down there. Pull it out, it pops out. This wire out of the way. It's a plug. Plug that. Screwdriver. This is the clip. Hold it in, don't lose that. Temperature gauge bouncing everywhere, so go high and just drop it low and just pull it out. Make sure they're the same. Yeah, they look the same. Whole rubber O-ring on there. Make sure she's on there. You just stick this guy back down that hole. Push it down. And you got that clip. That clip goes back down. See, but see that little, that's where it's going. There's one on that side and one on this side. That little slot there. Slot. Oh shit. Lined up there. And you just push it back in. There we go. The screwdriver, push it back in there. Let's plug her back in. That's all she is. Fairly easy. Well, hope this video was helpful. Everyone have a good day. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.